Who's that?
Hi.
Hi, come on in. My dog's fine. You can just ignore her.
Can I pet her?
No, don't pet her. She doesn't enjoy being pet.
Oh, she don't?
You can just admire from afar. You can pet him.
Can I pet her?
Good girl.
Oh, hello.
Good girl.
This one likes me. He likes me a lot. Oh, yeah. He really likes me. Oh, he does. Alright, okay. Normally be doing at this point is rushing the door, barking at the door, and telling whoever came in the door to leave. She knows she's not allowed to get off her bed. So what we see is a dog who's learning to cope with the situation in a new way. Instead of rushing the door, barking, and being assertive, she's learning to stay on her place bed and not address the situation and allow the humans, Julie in this case, to direct the situation. So, you know, her first few times doing this, we're gonna see her, you know, exhibit some shaking, some anxiety. She's new to it. But if you put it on repeat and you do this a bunch, and guests come over, role play it as much as possible. She's, especially if we don't allow them to approach her, because she might be uncomfortable with strangers, she'll get more and more comfortable as we go on with this. So